Good morning. Next article from this unit is thermodynamic probability, entropy and relation between them. Last year in paper 3 we studied various thermodynamic quantities. Among these thermodynamic quantities, the important one we talked about is entropy. We studied entropies of various processes. Let us talk of entropy of an irreversible process. We know that entropy of an irreversible process increases continuously. The increase in entropy of an irreversible process increases the randomness of the system. Randomness is always related with entropy. More randomness, more entropy, more entropy, more randomness. Entropy is thermodynamical quantity. This entropy is to be related with the probability. When we talk of spontaneous process always represents the changes which are taking place from a state of low probability to a state of high probability. It means that there should be certain relation between entropy of certain state of a system with that of probability of that state of the system. Boltzmann at the first time derived a relation between the thermodynamic probability and the entropy. He correlated thermodynamic probability and entropy. Boltzmann thought that whenever a process is taking place, it is taking place from low probable to high probable state. He assumed that equilibrium of a system is the state of maximum probability. Equilibrium state of a system is having maximum probability. If equilibrium state of a system is having maximum probability, it means that at equilibrium of a state, entropy of the state of the system should be maximum. Whenever we consider any process taking place inside a system, the system initially may not be in equilibrium. The process takes place from less probable to more probable states, and finally the system reaches at the equilibrium state, and therefore equilibrium state is the more probable state of any system. It means that equilibrium state of a system has highest or maximum probability. As equilibrium state of a system has maximum probability, it means that equilibrium state of a system must have maximum entropy. As I told, this relation was first derived by Maxwell, and therefore this relation is known as Boltzmann probability entropy relation, or simply Boltzmann relation. To get this Boltzmann relation connecting probability and entropy, thermodynamic probability and entropy, let us start with the basic equation of entropy. What is basic equation of entropy? As you have studied this last year, we generally write equation for entropy as ds is equal to dq by dt. In some books you may find ds is equal to dh by t. Some books may have ds is equal to dq by dt relation for entropy. Some books may have ds is equal to dh by dt, the relation for entropy. What is meaning of this? Meaning of equations 1 and 2 is same. ds in these two equations corresponds to change in entropy of the system under consideration. dq dh corresponds to change in heat energy of the system. This t corresponds to the temperature of the system. Q is heat energy, H is also heat energy. I can write heat energy by using letter Q. I may write heat energy using letter H. Equations 1 and 2 may also be written in other form as dou S is equal to dou S is equal to dou E by T. Here perfect differentiation is taken, here partial differentiation is taken. Partial differentiation is taken to represent that it is not function of single variable, it is function of multivariables, whereas here it is function of single variable. So equation for change in entropy may be written as dou S is equal to dou E by T, just similar to equations 1 and 2. Then the constant beta is given by the equation constant beta is equal to dou by dou E of logarithm of W. What is this W? This W is thermodynamic probability. Or I may put this beta is equal to 1 by W dou W by dou E. Equation number 4. I may write this beta is equal to 1 by W dou by dou E after solving this equation. From the notions of statistical mechanics, while talking about MB statistical mechanics, B statistical mechanics, FD statistical mechanics, we derived one equation, and what that equation is, beta is equal to 1 divided by KT. This equation is invariably used in MB stat, in BE stat, as well as in FD stat. Or let me put this equation further as 1 by T is equal to K beta. 1 by T is equal to K beta, and this may be equation number 5. From equation 3, I may write from equation 3, we may further write dou E sent to this side, so 1 by T is equal to dou S by dou E. Let me use this as equation number 7. Now let us compare equations 5 and 6. Compare equations 5 and 6. What we find, LHS of 5 and 6 is same, so RHS must be same. So let us write here dou S by dou E is equal to K beta, equation number 8. As LHS of equations 5 and 6 is same, let us equate RHS to get dou S by dou E is equal to K beta, but from equation 7, beta is dou by dou E of logarithm of W, and so this dou S by dou E may be written as K times dou by dou E of logarithm of W. If equation 7 for beta is substituted here, in equation 8 we can write dou S by dou E is equal to K times dou by dou E of logarithm of W. Equation number 9. Let us integrate equation 9 on both sides. If we integrate equation 9 on both sides, what we further get is S is equal to K times logarithm of W. Equation number 10. After integrating equation 9 on both sides, what we get is S is equal to K times logarithm of W. Equation 10 is known as Boltzmann probability entropy relation. Equation 10 is known as Boltzmann relation, representing the relation between thermodynamic probability and entropy. K is universal constant. This K is known as Boltzmann constant. S is entropy of the system under consideration. W is the thermodynamic probability of the system under consideration. You may observe one thing. Equation 9 is integrated. It is indefinite integration. Limits are not used for integration. So this integration carried out here is indefinite integration. And whenever we carry out indefinite integration, we have to consider the constant of integration. Here constant of integration taken is 0. Why constant of integration is taken 0? Because we are not interested in the absolute values of the thermodynamic entropy and the thermodynamic probability. We are interested change in entropy because of changes in entropy. K is universal constant, that is Boltzmann constant. What we interested in is change in entropy of a system whenever thermodynamic probability of the system is undergoing a change, and therefore the constant of integration is taken as 0. Second important thing, K is a constant. If this constant K is taken away, this entropy S will be directly proportional to logarithm of the thermodynamic entropy. So the next statement we can make about the Boltzmann relation for thermodynamic probability and entropy is entropy of a system is always directly proportional to logarithm of thermodynamic probability of that system. What interpretation we can give for equation 11? Entropy of a system under consideration is directly proportional to logarithm of thermodynamic probability of that system. This is about the thermodynamic probability, entropy and relation between them. A small article. Hope you got it. It's very simple, and from this unit only one article is left: ensemble and the average value. We shall talk about this article in the next lecture. Thank you.